at the pizzeria. Questions and answers.
What size pizza would you like to order today?
Small, medium, extra large.
What kind of sauce would you like on your pizza?
Traditional tomato, creamy Alfredo, rich pesto.
Would you like extra cheese on your pizza today?
Yes, please, extra cheese. No, thanks, regular cheese. Light cheese, please.
Any seating preference, like near the window?
Any available. Near window, thanks. No seating preference.
Do you need plates for your pizza?
Yes, please. No, we're good. For everyone, please.
Would you like napkins with your meal?
Yes, please. Just a few. Extra napkins, please.
Which type of crust do you prefer for your pizza?
Classic hand-tossed. Thin and crispy. Deep dish pan.
Choose your cheese type for the pizza.
Mozzarella. Cheddar. Vegan cheese.
Do you have any dietary preferences or restrictions we should know about?
Vegetarian. Gluten-free. No dietary restrictions.
Select your favorite pizza toppings.
Pepperoni. Mushrooms. Pineapple.
Would you like your pizza cut into traditional slices or squares?
Traditional triangular slices. Square-cut slices. Half and half.
Which meat toppings would you like on your pizza today?
Sausage. Bacon. Grilled chicken.
Choose your favorite veggies to add to your pizza.
Fresh tomatoes. Black olives. Spinach.
Do you need any forks or knives?
Yes, both. Fork only. No, thank you.
Would you like cups for drinks?
Yes, please. Just one. 2 cups, please. Are you having lunch with your kids today?
Yes, with children. It's an adult group. No kids today.
Do you prefer your order on a tray?
No, just the table. I'll use a tray. No tray, thanks.
How spicy would you like your pizza to be?
Medium. Extra hot. No spice.
Would you like any additional seasonings or flavorings on your pizza?
Garlic butter drizzle. Red pepper flakes. Parmesan cheese sprinkle.
Select your preferred beverage to accompany your pizza.
Iced tea. Lemonade. Bottled water.
How would you like your pizza cooked?
Regular. Well done. Crispy crust.
Would you like to order a combo meal deal with your pizza?
Yes, combo meal. No, single order. What's in the combo?
Would you like your pizza sliced for sharing?
Yes, please. No, keep it whole. Just a few slices.
Would you like to try one of our specialty pizzas?
No, thank you. Create my own pizza. Surprise me with a specialty.
Do you want dessert plates and forks?
Yes, please. Just dessert forks. Plates and forks, please.
Do you require high chairs or booster seats?
Yes, high chair. Yes, booster seat. No, we're good.
Need any extra straws for drinks?
No, thanks. Regular straws. Large straws, please.
How many people are you ordering for today?
Just one. A small group. A large group.
Do you prefer your pizza with extra sauce?
Yes, please. Extra sauce, please. Surprise me with the sauce.
Will your pizza order be for dine-in or take-out today?
Takeout, please. For here, thanks. To go, please.
Did you like the video? Comment down below. See you in the next video.